My dear 5th class, my name is Ikra Rashid. I am your English teacher in Stars High School, Bahawalpur campus. My dear students, today I am with you with your chapter number 2, The Strange Cattle. So dear students, in this chapter, the writer tells about a story of a woodcutter who was coming from his all day's work. He was tired, but in his way he saw a strange cattle lying behind a tree. He took that and brought that to his house. He showed that to his wife and she was so happy to see that. But the problem was that they did not know about the magical powers of that kettle. What happened? The turban of that woodcutter accidentally fallen down in that kettle. Yes, so that turban became double. Yes, that turban became double. Two turban were there. So that was the magical power of that kettle. So to test that, what they did, they put some food in that kettle and that also became double. In this case, so they took some coins and put that in that kettle. They took some coins and put that in that kettle and they become more and more. In this case they became richer and richer, and in that situation they became so happy, and both the woodcutter and his wife became dance around that kettle. In what happened in that scene, the wife of that woodcutter was fallen down in that kettle and two wives of woodcutter were appeared from that kettle. So that situation was a bit confusing for woodcutter because he could not recognize the real wife, and at the same time he could not have two wives. For to tackle that situation, what the two wives did, uh, both of them took that woodcutter and throw that woodcutter in that kettle. So the two woodcutters were appeared of that, but that also was not sounds good. So the woodcutter decided to put that kettle again to that place, because he thought that by becoming rich in that situation or in that way, he will forget the hard work or the result of hard work, and he wanted to continue his hard work. So my dear friends, let's move to the exercise now. So the first part of your exercise is the questions and the answers. So go for the question number 1, that is, how did the woodcutter feel when he was coming back from work? So the answer is, he was tired but proud that he was completed a full day's work. Now come to the question number 2, where was kettle lying? So the answer is, the kettle was lying behind a big tree. Go for the question number 3. Did he know that the kettle had magical powers? So the answer is, no, he did not know that the kettle had magical powers. Move to the next question, that is, why did they put their meal into the kettle? So the answer is, they put their meal into the kettle to test its powers, because they did not know about the magical powers of that kettle. So they put some food in that. Now come to the question number 5, that is, what was their first desire after becoming rich? So the answer is, they wanted to have a big house. Look at the question number 6. Why did the two women toss the woodcutter into the kettle? Because woodcutter could not have two wives at a time. So he cannot have two wives at a time. So they toss that woodcutter in the kettle. Go for the question number 7. Do you think woodcutter was a greedy person? So the answer is no, woodcutter was not a greedy person. You know why? Because he put that kettle again to that place. Okay, the question number 8 and the last question, that is, why did the woodcutter put the kettle back into its place in the forest? So the answer is, because newfound money made them careless and he will forget the pride of hard day's work. So my dear students, come to the next activity of your exercise. that is take the best answer of each question. So I'm reading it for your convenience. So the number one is at the beginning of the story, why did the woodcutter walk slowly through the forest? So the answer was he was tired of working all day. Now come to the number two, how did the couple test the kettle's powers? The answer is they placed their meal in the kettle. Now come to the number three. Where did the woodcutter hope to buy with his riches? So the answer is a new house. And the number four is, why did the woodcutter drop his wife in the kettle? The answer is he carelessly picked her up and twirled her around. And now come to the last, and the number fifth is, why did the woodcutter and his wife return the kettle to the woods? So the answer is, look at the options. They thought the kettle had made them greedy, and the B option is they wanted to work to earn their own money. So the answer is both A and B.